Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun, wintry, animal-y kind of things to share with you today. Now, the fun thing is I'm sure a lot of you have already seen our Stamp and Die Club this month, and oh, they are so adorable, those cute little penguins. But when I was designing these, I came up with the situation that I needed more little guys. Because, you know, you can have a party with 2 little guys, but wouldn't it be fun to have a bigger party with more friends? So I designed, some more. Here is, they're called, what are they officially called? Waddle penguins to stamp. So this was our club set. This is the add-on set, and the add-on set is fun because they're kind of like walking, you know, they're cute. Now there's 2 of them, and these 2 little ones have different faces on them, so check those out. Then there's one that matches the club one, but smaller because he needed a little baby, and then another hat as well. And it says, keep calm and waddle on. Waddle I do without you. Be a penguin. Stay cool and waddle your own way. Now, of course, there's dies that match, right? There's always dies that match, and I have some fun samples to share with you as well. Now, before we go on to our samples, we also have, I thought, what could be better than having a club set that has a cute little penguin? A penguin fold it. Introducing our penguin fold it die, which is oh so fun, and you know what? I even threw in an extra die. So not only do you get the penguin fold it die, you also get a little guy that goes with him, a separate one. Now, here's the deal. What is a folded die? A folded die means that it will make the perfect A2 size card and fit in a standard envelope. Isn't that awesome? Look at that. Isn't that cute? Look, it's a little card. Isn't that fun? Fits in a standard envelope, but it's oh so cute, and no stamps are needed. Isn't that awesome? Now, I have lots of samples to share with you. I have 2 more products to show you. Number 1, and again, you know, Stephanie gets ahead of herself. She designs this stuff, and then she doesn't have stuff, meaning me, doesn't have the sample to share with you. This one is Let It Snow. I know it doesn't look like anything here, but wait for it, because here's what it looks like. Of course, we needed Let It Snow to go with our wintry items, right? Now, we don't have snow where I live. We have sand where I live. We have beaches in California. We don't really necessarily have snow in California unless you go to the mountains. But Let It Snow is very appropriate, especially to go with our big snowflake background die. And, how many of you already have the snow stencil? So definitely think about the snow stencil. Get your snow stencil out when you're doing these kind of backgrounds. Let's look at all my samples. First of all, this one is oh so cute. Look at how cute that is with our little black and white penguin, because you know penguins are technically black and white. Now here's a fun one. Keep calm and waddle on, and look how they're all just kind of moving. I literally feel like I can picture them waddling in my mind, which is so fun. Open that up, stay cool and waddle your own way. Here's another one where they're all waddling, and this one's fun because if you use our penny slider die, you can make it move. Isn't that fun? Oh, this one is adorable. Who said penguins had to be black and white, right? Look at that. It's a rainbow of penguins. I love that. Here's another one, and again, action wobbles. And as I always say about those action wobbles, when you see them in stock, buy them, because we cannot keep them in stock. Every time we buy a whole bunch more, I say, Ken, they're gone again. He goes, I know. I just ordered them and now they're gone already. So get them if you ever see them in stock. Okay, here is a gorgeous, gorgeous fold it using our penguin and some Christmas tree mountains and a cute little gingerbread girl. Now, obviously, this one's not going to fit in an A2 size envelope, but who cares? Get a bigger envelope. Not a big deal, right? Let's look at, box die. Oh my goodness, you know I love my box dies. Isn't that cute? Now this incorporates our club set and our Waddle stamp and die set, which is fun. Here's a cute one, Winter Wishes. Oh, pocket slider. Now I know I showed you this one in the club video, but it does include one of ours from this set. And I love how it pops up like that. Isn't that fun? Now it's like this. When it pops up, you can see how it gives it dimension, which is oh so fun. Ooh, here's a Let It Snow. Isn't that beautiful? Let it snow. Now, of course, the Let It Snow does come with the shadow as well. Don't forget, it does come with the shadow, and it looks like this. And look at that gorgeous background. Can you see that pretty background? That's our snowflake background. It's all about snow. Oh, I didn't even open this one until just now. I'm so glad I didn't miss this. Ready? Open it up. There's our 3D pop-up. Isn't that gorgeous? Snowflakes on the side, snowflakes cut out, a sentiment over here. Fantastic. Oh, here's some more big penguins getting together. I love that. It's like a family of penguins. Oh, so cute. Look at this stack. I have so many. Now, if I'm going too fast on any of these, don't worry. They're all on our online gallery. Also, make sure you're following us on Instagram because we post a lot of these, and our design team posts all their pictures, all their samples on the website. I'm sorry, on the website and on Instagram. Here's a cute one. Hello, cute eyes. Oh, here's another one. Oh, look at this one with our Christmas tree. Isn't that fun? Now let's see, where does this one open? Now, oh, it opens right here. Look at that, with a little present. So cute. Here's a cute one, just a little guy. Easy peasy. Look how easy. That's all just die cuts. Done. Kids can do these. Anybody can do these. So fun. Now this one's cute. Who says penguins have to be just for winter? What about a happy birthday? Isn't that fun? Now, I have 2 boxes to share with you. Ready? And we open it up. Stay cool and waddle on. And then, of course, it folds flat for mailing. Perfect. And look at this guy. Woo! This is the 5x7 box card. And isn't it adorable? Look at all those fun little penguins in there. It's just like a penguin little love fest or something. Now, club members, of course, you get the club discount on our website. Go check it out. Also, if you're not in the club, you have to join because you're missing out and you do not want to miss out. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.